Hey guys, it's Mila at WTI, and here I have this beautiful Tiffany blue colored mini nostalgia toaster. And this thing is super cute, super portable. So it is a one slice toaster. So it's great for areas where you have minimal space and you just want something to get the job done. So this would be great if you're taking it to a campsite and you just want to plug it into an outlet or an RV power. If you're just taking this on the go and you want something just for you, it's great for convenience. And obviously, as you look at it, you can really appreciate the design. It's very cute with that teal blue and then the white buttons. It's almost got this retro girly look to it, which will go with a lot of different people's decors. I love this color and I have it throughout my house. So it goes just about everywhere and I love the way it looks. It is very functional as well. All you gotta do is push the lever down. All those plates heat up and toast up your bread just wonderful. And you'll notice that the knob has multiple settings with a little color coded. As it gets thicker, obviously that is more toasted, and the thinner the line is, that's less toasted. And it comes out just like I'd want it. Any toasted bread would come out. I love this toaster, and that's my point of view.